So I got a new wig here and I am actually very excited about this one because I think this one will take me back to my younger days. She's supposed to be 100% ready to wear, okay? Silky straight, black bust down. I'm excited. I have yet to have a silky straight wig that I absolutely love. And I think it's because I have an odd forehead, but I am very hopeful about this one. So let's see. Hi, welcome. If you are new here, my name is Victoria. I make content centered around personal development, glowing up, and becoming your very best self. And I don't just focus on the outer, we also work on our inner. So if that is something that you're interested in, if you're looking for any tips or advice or just resources, then make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and you go ahead and hit that like button for more content like this. Luvme Hair never disappoints with the goodies. They have this instructional card in the box to help you learn how to put the wig on. They also give you a mesh storage bag for your wig, custom goodies. We got an edge brush, a rat tail comb, and a hair clip. Also a box label card and a set of HD wig caps in case you don't have any. Now, let's get into the wig, child. My goodness. So, here she is. All this loud paper. Oh my goodness. So, it does come pre-parted. Oh, it's got a little bit of baby hair in the front. Look at that. Ooh, that is so got a little bit of a smell that I have never smelled with any of my wigs before. I don't know what that's about. But yeah, she is very soft, very smooth, very silky. Check her out up close. I don't know if you can see the texture through the screen, but it is so soft. Now, this wig does come with, I believe, a 7x6 temple to temple lace closure, and it does come pre-everything, so pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and as you can see, pre-parted right here on the left-hand side. Here is all of the lace. I don't see any combs in this wig except for the one right here in the back. And this is a removable comb. This wig does have the bra strap clip, so you can adjust it to 3 different sizes. I have a small head, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on the tightest. Now, I do see that it has the ear-shaped tabs for your ears to make it more comfortable around them. And this wig is very flexible. The entire wig cap is a stretch fit cap. And I can see here they also have slots right here to add an elastic band, which also came in the packaging. Now, I'm done rambling. Okay, I'm ready to go ahead and try it on. Let me show you what she looks like straight out of the box. Hold on, because I was looking in the mirror, but when I looked in the camera, who was that? She done turned into a whole new woman. Let me find a brush. She done turned into a whole new woman. Good. Who is that? Who is that, y'all? I don't know how I feel about this little baby right here, because it really just feel like extra cut pieces. I'm kind of speechless. I really just turned into a completely different woman in what, 30 seconds? Now, I don't remember the exact length of this wig. I will either put it up here on the screen or I'll leave it down in the description box below because I know somebody gonna ask, what link is that? It'll be somewhere. Just look for it. I am 5'4" for reference. Let me put my camera down so you can see how low it goes. It goes right here up under the bosoms. Let me show you what it looks like from the back.
Out the trunk, from the front to the back. Back out the trunk, from the front to the back. Back out the trunk.
This is the kind of wig you put on when you don't want people getting too close to you. You in my space. You in my space. If you couldn't tell already, I love this wig. It is really silky straight. I'm not even having to straighten it or hit it with a hot comb. What I am going to do though is put a little bit of bronzer up here, just like on the perimeter of the lace, so it blends a little bit better. Now up close and not in direct lighting, it's not that bad, not visible. But because I'm here in my bathroom, the lights are pretty bright. It is kind of visible, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of bronzer, that lace to help conceal it. Alright, and that looks completely flawless now. I will say, naturally, I would never wear my hair like this. I really like to have more volume at the roots. If you know me, you know I like big hair. This does feel a little different, like to have it so flat. It is so flat. I have never had hair this flat. It is so flat. So it's different. It's taking some getting used to. I like it. Oh, look at the way I just did that. I like it, but it is definitely flat. Girl, I can't stop playing with this hair. Let me go ahead and end this video. We can be here all day. I'm just here playing with my hair. Anyway, so that's it. It is 100% glueless. Let me get my comb so I can show you. It is 100% glueless. I am not wearing no glue on it. Now, it doesn't have many combs, so it might slip and slide a little bit. It's not really moving that much, even as I'm like running my fingers through it. But if somebody were to yank on it, obviously it's gonna come off because there's no combs or anything securing it down. But nobody's gonna be yanking on my hair anyway. We don't have those problems. She is gorgeous. What all do I need to say? What else do I need to tell you? Well, she got the C-shaped ear cutout tabs. I think I said that over here, so it's nice and comfy around the ears. That's on both sides. What else? Super stretchy cap. Obviously, very silky, very flowy, very nice. You don't want to play with her all day. I'm telling you, you get this wig, you're not going to be able to keep your hands out your hair. Obviously, 100% human hair, so if you want to straighten it even more, you can. You can also curl it because it is, again, 100% human hair. I'm probably going to check it out and see what it looks like curled because the hair is so silky and so soft. It probably looks beautiful curled. If you want to see that in another video, let me know. Maybe I'll make like a little a little short showing you how it looks curled. The direct link and all of the other details for this wig will be down in the description box below. If you need to know more, if you need to see more reviews other than just mine, you can go ahead and check out that link. Browse the website. They have other reviews on there as well. So do your research, whatever you need to do to make you feel comfortable with purchasing this wig. If you do decide to purchase this wig, I have a coupon code for you, girl. You can use it to purchase this wig or any other products on the Luvme Hair website and save you some money. You can use this coupon more than once. So if you buy a wig today and you want to buy a wig tomorrow, use that exact same coupon code and save yourself some money. What else? I am flabbergasted with how good this looks. And that does not happen often. But yeah, I think that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video and you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a like. That way YouTube will go ahead and let you know whenever I upload new videos. Now I want you to go and have an amazing rest of your day. I love you. I appreciate you, especially for watching this video all the way through to the end. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next one.